which book are you planning on reading next? I'm starting to read Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. That is a good book. You can check out that video on YouTube. But the next read will be The Spirit of Leadership by Insights from Business and Faith, Rahul J. Koza. This is a tough book to read. This is a super challenging book. You have to hone in and start making notes on a notepad. But I've read through this book, and this teaches you a lot about the faith that you need to have as an aspiring leader. Not to lead when things are easy, but actually to lead when things are hard. To lead yourself is the hardest part of impacting or making a contribution to your community. So I highly recommend you should read this book, right? It will give you guidance and some kind of understanding, to get to know more of yourself, your self-awareness, your gifts, your talents, your skill set, your ingenuity that you have inside of you, and you are probably not aware of it as yet. So this book is definitely a good read.